stepping into the enchanting realm of 1960s Hollywood, where celebrity transformations unfold. Yet beneath the glitter lies a darker truth: 20 shocking plastic surgery disasters. Stay tuned as we reveal the most jaw dropping fails. Share your thoughts on the worst transformation and ensure you subscribe for more riveting journeys ahead. Number 18. Born on May 22, 1978, in Brighton, England, Katie Price initially gained recognition as a model before skyrocketing to fame through numerous reality shows and TV programs in the UK. Notably, her captivating presence on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, and the reality series Katie and Peter left a lasting impact on audiences. However, her fame is also closely associated with a significant number of cosmetic surgeries. Most notably, she underwent multiple breast augmentation procedures, sculpting her distinctive chest while also embracing changes to her facial features through surgeries, Botox, and fillers. Despite her bold transformations, public reactions are polarized. Some commend her confidence and refreshed appearance, while others critique the alterations of detracting from her natural beauty. The undisclosed count of surgeries adds an air of mystery to her beauty journey, allowing Katy Price to maintain a unique and memorable presence in the entertainment industry. Number 17. Jacqueline Wildenstein became famous not only for her artistic career but also for remarkable changes in her appearance. Jacqueline underwent numerous plastic surgeries, mainly focused on her face and eyes. One unique feature of Jacqueline Wildenstein is the notable transformation of her eyes. She admitted to spending millions to make her eyes resemble cat eyes. Her feline appearance led the media to nickname her Catwoman, Lion Queen, and Bride of Wildenstein. According to Alice Wildenstein, she thought she could fix her face like a piece of furniture. Skin doesn't work that way, but she wouldn't listen. Overall, her one of a kind appearance drew significant media attention. Audience reactions to Jacqueline Wildenstein's plastic surgeries are polarized. Some praise her confidence and extraordinary spirit, while the majority express regret and concern about the excessive changes that no longer resemble a normal face. This event highlighted issues of self perception in undergoing plastic surgeries. Number 16. P.T. Burns, renowned as the frontman of Dead or Alive, achieved fame in the music industry but became equally infamous for his extreme reliance on cosmetic surgeries. In a candid 2016 interview, Burns disclosed undergoing around 300 surgeries, expressing a hope that God wouldn't recognize him in his later years. His first rhinoplasty in 1984 marked the beginning of a relentless pursuit of facial enhancements, culminating in a botched lip augmentation causing infection and disfiguring flood-filled openings on his face. Complications such as pulmonary embolism and a life-threatening blood clot added to the toll of his health. Burns, resolute in his identity as a man, rejected conventional labels about his gender and sexual orientation. Despite controversies surrounding his appearance, he continued to showcase his acting prowess in successful films. Nevertheless, his distorted visage serves as a poignant reminder of the adverse outcomes of excessive plastic surgeries in his tumultuous journey through fame and physical transformations. Number 15. Jessica Always gained fame for undergoing dozens of plastic surgeries to transform her appearance. Previously known as the human Ken doll, Always underwent various surgeries, including a nose job that resulted in the loss of her sense of smell. Following this, she had a gel injected into her arms to make them appear more muscular, causing her to lose the use of both hands temporarily. In 2013, Always was diagnosed with body dysmorphic disorder, a mental health condition characterized by excessive concern about perceived flaws in appearance. As of January 2018, she spent over 5,000 billion on 103 cosmetic procedures. She spent over half million dollars on 103 cosmetic procedures, including liposuction, gel injections, hair transplants, and multiple nose jobs. Her first surgery at the age of 17 aimed to remove excess breast tissue. By March 2020, Alves spent around 6,50,000 European dollar on 60 surgeries to resemble a Barbie doll. In January 2020, she publicly revealed her gender transition after 3 months of living in secret. Always post-transition appearance sparked public concern, with some supporting her confidence and decisions while others saw it as an extreme form of personal style. Number 14. Mickey Rourke, celebrated for his standout role in the 2008 film The Wrestler, achieved acclaim with a Golden Globe and an Oscar nomination. Beyond his acting prowess, Rourke's journey involved numerous plastic surgeries to mend facial injuries from his boxing past. Nose jobs, eyelid surgery, chin augmentation, cheek implants, and hair transplants followed, resulting in an unnatural, swollen visage. Public and professional backlash ensued, deeming the alterations excessive and failed. Despite the criticism, Rourke's acting prowess sustained his career. Yet, the enduring consequence of distorted features stands as a poignant reminder of the pitfalls that can accompany extensive cosmetic surgery. Number 13. Raji Narayan Singh, born in 1963 in Trinidad and Tobago, gained fame as the artificial human after undergoing numerous failed plastic surgeries from 1995 to 2000. Narayan Singh received cheap filler injections to lift her nose and plump her cheeks. In 2005, she sought O'Neill Ron Morris to inject fillers into her face, chest, and hips, believing it was silicone. Later, she discovered the mixture was concrete, tire sealant, and mineral oil. The filler hardened under the skin, causing lumpy nodules and facial swelling. Narayan Singh's nose became crooked, and her massively swollen cheeks puffy. Her face felt concrete like. Ashamed and seeking help, she practically became a recluse of career's years. In 2015, Narayan Singh finally underwent procedures to remove most of the concrete from her face through 4 surgeries in 7 weeks. She decided to share her story to warn people about the risk of unsafe and cheap plastic surgeries. Number 12. Born on October 7, 1959 in Lambeth, London, England, Simon Philip Covell gained fame as a judge on Pop Idol, a British music talent search show. The program catapulted him into the limelight, establishing Covell as a prominent television personality. Noteworthy, however, is his journey through various cosmetic enhancements, from eye surgery to chin surgery, cheek fillers, botox, and facial fillers. Covell has undergone transformations aimed at achieving a fresher and firmer appearance. Despite opinions on the naturalness of his look, these alterations have had minimal impact on his public image, and he continues to be adored as a straightforward talent show judge. Number 11. Priscilla Presley is known as the ex-wife of rock and roll legend Elvis Presley. They married in 1967 and had a daughter together, Lisa Marie Presley. Throughout her life, Priscilla has undergone numerous cosmetic surgeries to maintain her beauty and youthfulness. She has had breast augmentation, chin reduction, facelifts, cheek fat injections, Botox injections, and filler injections to eliminate wrinkles. Estimated reports suggest Priscilla has spent millions of dollars on her cosmetic procedures. Despite the significant changes to her face, which appears overly stretched and unnatural, Priscilla still maintains a toned body and smooth skin due to cosmetic surgeries. However, her appearance is often compared to her golden years with Elvis, highlighting the extent of her transformation. Number 10. Jackie Stallion, born on November 29, 1921 in Washington, D.C., is renowned as the mother of film icon Sylvester Stallone. Having invested over $4 million in numerous cosmetic surgeries like facelifts, skin tightening, chin implants, nose jobs, eyelid surgery, and hair transplantation, she has faced criticism for an overly tight and unnatural appearance. Despite detractors, the nearly 100-year-old remains unapologetic, expressing confidence in her choices to maintain a youthful look. While some highlight the distortions to her face, Stallone impresses her journey, asserting no regrets. Her story raises questions about societal expectations and individual autonomy in the pursuit of ageless beauty. Number 9. Well-known Michael Jackson was a world-famous pop singer with hits like Beat It, Billie Jean, and Thriller. Throughout his career, Jackson underwent numerous cosmetic surgeries to alter his appearance. Major surgeries included nose reduction, chin reshaping, removal of under-eye bags, skin grafting to the thin lips, and even artificial mole implants on his face. Additionally, he used skin whitening, early grey hair treatment, and controversially artificial mole grafting on his face. After all his procedures, Michael's appearance completely changed, becoming distorted and unnatural. Many fans were shocked by the extensive transformation of their idol, but Jackson consistently denied excessive cosmetic surgery and claimed to have undergone only a few minor procedures. Nevertheless, his image remains an icon of cosmetic surgery abuse. Number 8. Pixie Fox, born on January 6, 1988 in Seoul, South Korea. rose to fame as a model post a series of extreme cosmetic surgeries aimed at emulating cartoon characters, with over 200 procedures costing nearly five half and a million costing nearly $500,000. Her transformation included rib removal for a 38 cm waist, 2000 cc breast augmentation, chin reduction, full body liposuction, buttock augmentation, and abdominal reduction. Post surgeries, Pixie's appearance radically changed, sporting around large eyes and shiny skin. Despite expectations of a bright career, her journey faced challenges in the mid 20s due to addiction and eating disorders, necessitating psychiatric treatment and rehabilitation. Her early career was marred by scandals around personal and mental health issues. However, Tara Subkoff, formerly known as Pixie Fox, remains resilient, channeling creativity into art and fashion despite the setbacks. Number 7. Charlie Sheen, whose real name is Carlos Irvin Esteves, was born on September 3, 1965, in New York City. He became widely known for his involvement in various successful film and television projects, such as Platoon, Wall Street, and the TV series Two and a Half Men. He also received a Golden Globe for his role in Spin City 2001. However, Charlie Sheen's career faced significant fluctuations when he became entangled in numerous controversies. Sheen was frequently involved in drug-related scandals, prostitution, and instances of domestic violence. Rumors of drug addiction, marijuana use, and stimulant abuse lead to multiple hospitalization for rehabilitation or arrest. Sheen even became associated with a network of prostitution, pedophilia, and the spread of sexually transmitted disease. These salacious scandals marked the end of the carefree playboy image of the Two and a Half Men. Public reactions to Charlie Sheen were diverse, ranging from strong support to harsh criticism. His personal issues significantly impacted his career and reputation in the entertainment industry. Number 6. Ashley Judd, born Ashley Tyler Simonella Judd on April 19, 1968 in Granada Hills, Los Angeles, California, is a celebrated actress and committed social activist. With a diverse and accomplished career, she rose to fame in the early 90s through notable roles in films like Ruby in Paradise, Double Jeopardy, and Divergent. In the mid 1990s, Judd courageously accused a high-ranking executive at Harvey Weinstein's film production company of sexual harassment and assault, sparking controversy. Despite facing threats and limited resources, Judd persisted, gradually stepping back from the entertainment industry. Her resilience, both artistically and socially, has earned her widespread appreciation, showcasing her unwavering commitment to justice and her enduring impact beyond the screen. Number 5. Marlon Brando, whose full name is Marlon Brando Jr., was born on April 3, 1924 in Omaha, Nebraska. Brando began his acting career in the 1940s and quickly became an icon of the new acting style in the film industry. The legendary actor Marlon Brando is recognized for his roles in many classic films. However, his life was also filled with scandals, and in the 1970s, Brando was involved in a scandal related to his son Christian Brando. who shot and killed his father's lover. As a father, Marlon Brando decided to pay a ransom for his son to be released on bail. However, it cannot be denied that Marlon Brando made a significant contribution to shaping the art of acting and delivering great works to the screen. Number 4. Born on August 15, 1990 in Indian Hills, Kentucky, Jennifer Lawrence, full name Jennifer Schrader Lawrence, is a renowned actress celebrated for her versatile career, rising to fame with her Oscar-winning performance in Winter's Bone. She solidified her status with roles in blockbusters like The Hunger Games and X-Men. Despite her success, Lawrence faced controversy in 2014 when her private photos were hacked and leaked online. Number 3. Roman Polanski, full name Roman Thierry Polanski, born August 18, 1933 in Paris, France, is a Polish director, producer, and actor with a diverse and successful career. He suddenly became the focus of a sex scandal involving a 13-year-old girl. Specifically, Polanski is accused of having sex with his underage victim at Jack Nicholson's house. After this case, Polanski fled the United States to avoid arrest and lived in Europe for many years. Number 2. Woody Allen, born Alan Stewart Kingsburg on December 1, 1935 in Brooklyn, New York, initially pursued a career in playwriting and stand-up comedy before transitioning to filmmaking. Renowned for his socially critical films, notable works include Annie Hall 1977, Manhattan 1979, and Hannah and Her Sisters 1986. However, Woody Allen also encountered personal problems and scandals in his life, causing his career to decline. Woody Allen repeatedly molested her when she was 7 years old. Although Allen denied the accusations, the scandal greatly damaged his image. Number 1. Valerie Perrin, full name Valerie Ritchie Perrin, was born on September 3, 1943 in Galveston, Texas. She is a famous actress and model known for her many roles in films and television shows. Valerie Perrin began her career with a starring role in the film Lanny 1974, in which she starred opposite Dustin Hoffman and earned an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actress. However, Valerie Perrin's career encountered difficulties when she had a serious traffic accident in 1981. This terrible accident led her to a traumatic brain injury and many broken bones in her body. This was terrible.